Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the action figure set part 2. So in today's action figure set, I'm going to show you the part 2, which is the time machine. I have two time machines with me, which I made it in the action figure collection set. This is my Winter Soldier action figure. Now I'll show you my time machine. So this is the time machine, you can see. And this is the controller. This is the time machine with these three standing things, and there are three wires connecting here. In this box we have the date, time and place for past and future, and the green and red buttons. And these are the wires, and then these are the radioactive things which makes them go. So you have to keep your Bucky here, and then just enter the past or future, and you can go. But I was starting to think in Avengers Endgame they also kept a quantum suit. So I also made a quantum realm suit only in the body. This is the suit only for the body I have made. You can easily open it and close it. I'm going to put it for my Bucky and show you. It's easy to make. Just one piece of paper which is the correct size of Bucky, and then you just need to draw the quantum suit. This thing, the drawing you can get it on Google. You just need to type how to draw quantum realm suit. You'll get quantum realm suits. So I have put it into Bucky. So this is a suit. You can easily open it and close it because of the tape technology. You can just open it and you can close it. I'll just open it now. So I have made 3 suits of like that, and you just put the suit here and you can come here and just enter it and go. So this is time machine 1. Now I'm going to show you the second time machine, which is really huge and different type. So this is my second time machine. This is also same thing I have written here also, and the guy with this suit should stand here and should go inside this. So in Avengers Endgame they went into a dark blue hole, so I just made a dark blue hole here. Like this you have to go, and this ends here. So this quantum suit also fits for my Thanos, my Thor, also all of my action figures. So I'll show you the suit. This is the suit. I have written Avengers here and all these designs with 2 tapes here and 1 tape here and a tape which should connect the other one with small side folded. So you can easily remove it, and in the back for simply keeping it when not in use. I have 2 of them left here. See these 3 suits I have made. You can see. And how to make these suits I will show you in my next video. And also in my other videos I'm also going to make places like Avengers Facility, Asgard and Wakanda, the full action figure set. This I'm going to show you in some other video how to make these suits. So this is I have drawn the same thing on my time machine 1 also, and this portal is very easy to make. Just made it double tape, 4 sheets for making the portal, so the Bucky can easily go inside like this. And I'll just put it. He came. And for going back also, just need to go inside like this. And then he came. It's not coming. Error. Some bug has happened. I'll just take it in. Yeah, he came. And for Bucky, I can remove the mask and put it. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Also see my other action figure collection and my one old video called 8 review of my 8 action figures. So thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon, like this video and share this video.